Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Semajical Gaming for The Sims 2 Super Collection. We're now at episode 30. And last time, before I ended the episode, you saw how dangerously close Amber Red was to getting chucked out of college. She's very dangerously close to that. We need to do something to keep her in there. Otherwise, we're looking at an Expelled 2 episode, and I don't want that to happen. She needs to go to that final exam. If not, then she needs to do that assignment. Okay, she's in a good mood now. Oh no. She's missed her final exam. I can't see her lasting very long now. So guess what, guys? Seriously, guess what? She's out. Oh. No. She's not expelled. She got C grades. Okay, so we've managed to avoid that for the time being. But I can't see her passing the entire year if she's gonna be lazy. She didn't go to the final exam. How she managed to stay? I mean, come on. Yeah, Amber, you need to answer the phone. And she has to go to class as well. I think I may have just helped her to dodge the bullet for one semester, but if she fails this last semester, she's out. So she has to go to class. And then after that, she needs to sit and do her assignment. Well, she's done better than Rolf did so far. That's not saying much, is it? So when she gets back, she needs to sit and do her assignment or finish her term paper. Yeah, Rolf got chucked out after one semester. I've managed to have Amber lasting a whole semester. I don't quite know how that's happened. But with another final exam looming in 67 sim hours, she needs to buckle down and start studying. And actually do assignments. Otherwise she will be out at the end of the semester. Okay, once all these students are they're coming back from classes. Amber's already back. Okay, Amber, you need to start doing your college work. I thought she was in class. And after that, she needs to get back to her term paper. So, yeah, she's lasted a whole semester, but will she last an entire college year? I guess that remains to be seen, but that's the end of this episode, guys. We'll catch back up with her next time. Until then, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a Semajical time.